This is perfect.
Now, that's to like excite you even more.
Hey y'all, I'm back with another apartment tour, and before we jump into this video, go ahead and subscribe, turn on them post notifications, become a part of the Nikki Gang notification gang, so you'll be notified of any time I post a video, y'all. And let's just say these apartments are top on my list. You all will see why. Let's get into it, okay?
These are so cute. Like you get two patio screen doors. You get two of those. Look at the light fixtures. So cute. Like that's it. That's it. Like these are so freaking nice. Like look at that. Look at the grounds. Like it's super clean. They are so cute. Like, look at them. So cute. That's it. Look at that. That is so cute. Light fixture. I like that it's outside and it's not in a building. Like, I don't know. I don't really like apartment buildings. I don't know.
A ceiling fan standard in the dining area too.
So this is one of the storage closets that's located in the loft area.
This is
So you see, so when you get to the master bedroom, the closet is going to be a little different than the one bedroom.
okay. This will be perfect. Like I could just put a desk and a couch up here. Or, because I really would only want a 2-bedroom for like an office.
Yeah.
But it can just be up here. Like,
Yeah.
I just feel
That's
like
where
I
had
don't.
my office. My desk was up against that left wall up there, and then I had a sofa, and I had a little table over here because when I wanted to eat my snacks and watch my TV but do my work, my TV
It
was
was
here and I
right
could see it
there.
at the same time.
Wow.
Yeah.
The way this is staged is perfect. Like, it gives you a good, like,
It's not too much.
it's
But
not.
it's just enough because otherwise you can't picture anything.
No, like, this would be ideal for me so I won't need a 2-bedroom.
Yeah.
Like, and my dog, she likes to go hide and explore. So just go upstairs. She'll just lay around.
Yep.
Oh, my goodness.
A place to get away from yourself.
Yes.
Yeah.
And I like the separation between living.
Yes.
And then you can just go up. And you said you get this. I was thinking this entire balcony,
We're separate.
separate doors.
Yeah, there's 2 different doors.
Oh, my goodness.
And you can have a grill if you like to grill.
Oh, this is huge. I was not expecting. I was not expecting this, and I love this.
If there's no fireplace, there's no brick.
Okay.
So
So it'll just be like
it'll just be siding.
siding.
Yep. So it'll be
The yellow.
siding in the middle.
But still, it'll still be separated.
Yeah, it's gonna be separate. Yep.
I was not expecting this large.
Yeah.
I don't know. This is like,
I'm bad with depth perception on pictures. When I'm trying to picture
I have looked
something,
at those pictures so many times before I came today. I was like, I
trying to
have
figure it
see
out. Yeah.
Look at that up there. This is perfect.
Now.
So I'm looking at a 2-bedroom loft because they didn't have any 1-bedroom lofts. So what she's doing now is basically explaining to me what's not going to be in the 1-bedroom loft.
But this is gonna be your bedroom size,
This is huge.
and then this is not here. Okay, it's the finished wall. Now your closet is 2 brackets in, 327 hangers worth. I've counted.
You count it?
So I'm a wall. Behind me is the utility door for your washer and dryer backside,
Okay.
as well as your AC unit and changing filter.
But 327 hangers is a lot.
And that's just the top row.
Oh.
If you add rods or extra shelving.
Oh, you can do that?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, the shelving's really cheap.
But
I got
even
at
if it
Walmart.
did stop here,
Yeah.
that's still,
It's still a lot.
good. That's
Yeah. And
good.
you still have your big walk-in entry-level closet at the front door.
This is
Your countertop in the bathroom, and I'll show you that. It's gonna be a little longer.
okay.
So,
Well, this is a very nice size bedroom, and I
It
like
is.
that it's staged with furniture. What size bed is that, queen?
that's a queen.
Okay,
But
that's
you can
what I
fit
have.
a king comfortably.
Hmm.
You will have doors for free.
Oh.
It's great, isn't it? You will have doors for free, I promise. Just for our displays so they don't ding our walls while we're walking through. But
Yeah. Well, this is still a nice size bedroom, and even
I had an armoire, which was huge and solid, took 4 men to move. I had that over here. I had a dresser over there, and I had a chest right here, and I had 2 nightstands and a king bed.
really, oh, it's big enough. Like
Yeah.
it's really big. Wow. So wall. Okay.
Well,
Okay. See, I didn't go that way. Is this the washer and dryer in
Nope.
here?
get ready to show you the stackable will be in the wall, not
Oh, it's
sticking
a
out.
stackable. That's good.
Yeah, and it's the good one.
Okay.
It's not your old school square from the 90s. It's in the wall. We service it, maintenance it if need be, if something goes wrong. But yep, it's in the wall there, tucked. Your countertop for the bathroom. So your cabinet would be over here a little bit because you have countertop space on the left that's about this much for
Okay.
storage underneath. So it's
Hmm.
open, and you'll see it in the pictures. But everything else the same. You get a curtain rod. You feel like you're on The Price is Right yet? And you get a towel bar.
So you'll come in stackable.
Yep,
Then you go into the bathroom.
it's all connected.
It's connected.
So the only difference
So-
is that your stackable washer and dryer is here. Your light switch is over here.
So it's not like it wouldn't just be this wall. It'll just be here. Is that what you're saying?
it's in there.
Okay.
So instead of this closet being here, okay, that's a finished wall, and then in here it's tucked a stackable washer and dryer. The light switch is right here.
Okay. I
Okay?
get it now.
So it's in there. You walk in, everything's the same except that countertop's a little longer, so it's a little bigger. Hold on,
I
Mom.
like that. So this will be a little bit longer.
A little bit longer, yeah.
Wow. I like that these are all through.
Yeah.
This is I can look at floor plans forever,
Yep.
but just
I always
seeing
said I
it.
can never draft anything. I can't be flat. I have to see it in
This
person.
is so cute. I love the white appliances. Ooh, I really like this. I do. It has a lot of.
I think you're beyond like at this point.
I love it. So I love it.
Let's first stop admitting, okay? No.
I love this. Like I had to come, and I didn't know.
You sounded nervous.
I know.
You sounded nervous, and that's okay.
I love it
Why?
so. I love the separation with the loft.
And they're all
It
open
makes
floor
it feel
plans.
like it's not an apartment.
Yep. And it's not a townhome, so you're not overpaying. I
Mm-hmm.
mean,
As you all can see, the loft space upstairs is perfect for a office, and my solution to having storage has been solved with this closet. I can add extra shelving and it will be perfect. What I love about this loft is that, of course, my office can be up here, a desk, a futon, or a chair. This was my favorite part of the apartment. When I think of loft, I don't think of it being separated like this. So this was a huge surprise to me. But I really, really like it so much. This is a cute little unit. And I believe it will be perfect for Bella and I. Of course, this is first on my list. I love how it's separated. It's not a room, but it's separate from the living space. What I also love is the 2 sliding doors. When the weather changes and it starts getting cold, baby, open it up and let that fresh air come in. This is a huge patio balcony. But yeah, as you can see, the living space is really big. I love it so much. So let me know what you all think. Comment below. let me know. Of course, I'm going to continue taking you all on my apartment journey and apartment hunt. So again, if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Become a part of the Nikki gang. Turn on your post notifications. And of course, I will see y'all in my next video. Okay. And yes, I'm going to say it again. I really, really, really like this unit. Of course, it's top on my list. See y'all in the next video. Bye.